Embracing Level 1 Autism, Navigating a Unique Journey. Hello everyone. Today we are embarking on a meaningful exploration of Level 1 Autism. Join me as we dive into the intricacies of this level, understanding the challenges and strengths it brings. Level 1 Autism. Level 1 autism, often referred to as requiring support, represents individuals who navigate life with a distinctive perspective. People at this level may excel in certain areas while seeking support in others, such as understanding social cues, adapting to changes, or interpreting non-verbal communication. Strengths and unique qualities. Individuals with level 1 autism often possesses remarkable strengths. Their attention to detail, focus, and affinity for routine can contribute to excellence in tasks that demand precision. Their unique ways of thinking can offer fresh perspectives and creative solutions to challenges and daily life. While level 1 individuals have many strengths, they might also face certain challenges. Social interactions can be perplexing, requiring extra effort to understand cues that others might find intuitive. Handling transitions or unexpected changes in routines can pose difficulties, requiring strategies to manage and adapt. Creative supportive environments. Understanding level 1 autism is key to creating inclusive environments. Friends, family, educators, and peers can play a vital role in offering the right support. Patience, clear communication, and providing structure can make a significant difference in helping individuals at this level thrive. Promoting acceptance and empathy. Let's encourage a world where level 1 autism is met with understanding and acceptance. By recognizing the uniqueness of each person's journey, we can build a society that values diversity and showcases the strengths of every individual. As we conclude our exploration of level 1 autism, remember that every individual's experience is valid and important. By embracing differences and fostering an environment of acceptance, we contribute to a more compassionate and inclusive world. Thank you for joining me in understanding level 1 autism. Keep spreading awareness and embracing the uniqueness of each person you encounter. Until next time, take care and keep making a positive impact. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.